the CBI has now challenged Karnataka government's decision of withdrawing prosecution sanction accorded to the CBI to probe the DA the DA case, and files have been. They are making an appeal before the Karnataka High Court. This is what we are learning, that the CBI is now appealing. It is now. Let's also listen into what DK Shivakumar has to say.
ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಏನಂತ
ಅದೇ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಹಾಕ್ತಿರೆ CBIನವರು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಂತ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ದೊಡ್ಡವರು ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ
ಸರ್. ಮೂರು DCMಗಳಕ್ಕೂ
ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ನಂಬಿಕೆ.
CBIಗೆ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಏನಂತ
ಅದೇ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Right, for more details, let's quickly go across to Akshara, who's joining me on the phone line. Akshara, the fact that this was a parallel, there were parallel dimensions to this matter, because this was also being pursued by the CBI at the same time, the Karnataka High Court. Take us through what happens now.
So, you see, a couple of weeks back, the Karnataka state government had withdrawn the sanction that was being provided to the the CBI and also to solve this particular case. And after that, this particular CBI prosecution sanction that was taken back and it is given to local staff. The Karnataka state government, including the chief minister, defended this particular move, stating that in order to provide this particular disproportionate assets case of an MLA, that is DK Shivakumar, permission must be taken from the speaker. A speaker's permission was not taken by the former chief minister DK Shivakumar. Without taking the permission, he has given this. He had transferred this particular case and given the prosecution sanction to the CBI. And at the very same time, the Karnataka state government also highlighted the fact that Attorney General AG's opinion was also not taken into consideration. So that does not fall under the legal aspect. So that's the reason the Karnataka state government which had given regarding this whole case. And withdrawn the previous the prosecution sanction that was given to the CBI and transferred the case to the Lokaayuta. And right now, the CBI has challenged this particular withdrawal of prosecution sanction and has filed an appeal before the Karnataka High Court. So we'll have to wait and watch how things will pan out regarding this. So the Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar has also responded to this, stated that the CBI has the right to make a court and the lawyers will defend this particular case. The Karnataka state government will also present the case of withdrawing the prosecution sanction that was given to the CBI.
The BJP and JDS also have been very vocal in sort of protesting the decision that was taken earlier by the Karnataka government. Take us through the kind of political furor that has taken place over this entire decision that was taken by the Karnataka government.
Well, it's absolutely, both the BJP and the JDS had clearly opposed this particular withdrawal of CBI prosecution sanction. Being withdrawn and given to the Lokaayuta. They stated that the Karnataka state government, now that they are in power, the Congress party is in power, they are trying to safeguard DK Shivakumar from this particular of the possible trouble that DK Shivakumar could face because of this particular disproportionate asset case. So that's what the BJP leaders, including the JDS leaders, had to do. But the Karnataka state government had defended issue, stating that it was not legal. The permission wasn't taken. AG's opinion wasn't taken. It was just directly handed over to the CBI. So that's what the Karnataka state government had to say regarding this. And DK Shivakumar, he also spoke about the issue. He said that he has not done anything wrong. So that's and he defended himself, stating that he has not done anything wrong. So that's what DK Shivakumar, the deputy chief minister, had to say regarding this. Yes, the BJP and the JDS, both the parties are after anti-ICC Congress government regarding the withdrawal of CBI prosecution sanction given to the CBI.
Akshara, thank you for bringing in all those inputs. In fact, let's quickly go across to Mr. G.S. Prashant of the BJP, who's joining me on the phone line. Mr. Prashant, now that the CBI will be challenging this move, does it also go on to sort of reflect the way the Karnataka government is now only trying to provide a safe haven for all its top notches within the government?
It goes without a saying. From day one, this government led by Siddaramaiah and DK Shivakumar wants to protect the corrupt, and DK Shivakumar's case is pending before the CBI for possessing assets which are disproportionate to his source of income. And the consent given by the previous BJP government was withdrawn by the present government only to ensure that CBI doesn't prosecute the matter, does not look into the issue, and they wanted to give a clean sheet to DK Shivakumar here itself, which is a very illegal thing. Because how can the same man who's sitting as a minister or deputy CM in Karnataka now withdraw the consent which was given against him? This goes against all rules of propriety also and morality. These, whatever the issues are with other political parties, people have to have some morals at least to say that and it's an unwritten rule that a man cannot be judged in his own case. So how can DK Shivakumar recommend the cabinet, though taking alibi that he was not present during that meeting, that the state government will do the consent?
That's exactly what I want to know from you. When your government, which was there previously, is accused of not following the law and making it a political vendetta by sending the CBI behind Mr. DK Shivakumar, how do you assess that?
Akanksha, understand one thing. It is not our government sending the CBI. CBI is an independent agency which is functioning independently, and it was during the Congress regime that the Supreme Court had come down heavily on CBI, saying it's a caged parrot. It is no longer as a caged parrot in the Narendra Modi-led government, because all investigative agencies are being given a free run and they run independent of directions of the government, which is why they are able to bring the corrupt to book, which the corrupt Congress government is unable to digest in Karnataka.
Mr. J.S. Prashant, many thanks to you for sharing your precious inputs with us here on CNN News 18.